What is the Clickbank Marketplace? Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first come to the official website, that is clickbank.com, and then click on Login. So go ahead and enter your email or account nickname, and then enter your password and click on Login. So when you log in, you'll see this type of interface. If you click on Affiliate Marketplace, you'll be taken to the marketplace of Clickbank. So Clickbank Marketplace is a space where Clickbank sellers provide information about the products they offer, and affiliates can search the marketplace to find offers that they are interested in promoting, and it includes their available promotional materials and sales statistics. So when you go to the marketplace, you'll see offers that include gravity score, initial dollar conversion, reoccurring bill, and then the average dollar conversion. So the gravity score is basically how popular the product is and how often it is making sales. So essentially, higher the gravity score, the more likely you are to make a sale when you refer people this product. So initial dollar conversion is the average commission an affiliate earns for each conversion to the seller's offer, and it includes commissions from any upsells or order bumps that result from the first sale. And then this average dollar conversion, it includes the earnings from all sales, so it includes initial sales, upsells, and rebilling as well. So that's why initial dollar conversion is less than average dollar conversion most of the time. The recurring bill is if you refer people to a seller and they make a purchase and then they decide to renew the purchase like a subscription or a membership and buy it again, then you earn commission from that as well. So that's why as average dollar conversion includes the rebilling, it's higher than the initial dollar conversion. So once you find the product that you want to promote, all you'll have to do is just click on this promote button and you'll have to enter your account nickname and then click on create hop link. So you'll get a link and you can put that link in your socials, and if they click on the link and buy something, then you'll get the commission which goes straight through Clickbank. So this is what Clickbank Marketplace is. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.